What if the smartest thing you were ever taught is keeping you average? What if saving money isn't discipline, but fear wearing a suit? Everyone tells you to save, be responsible, play it safe. Safe people rarely build interesting lives. Saving feels good. The number goes up, your stress goes down, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine, you feel in control. But feelings don't care about math. Inflation is always working, even when you're not. Prices rise, rent rises, food rises, life gets more expensive, your savings stay still. That's not protection, that's slow erosion. Banks love savers. Your money works harder for them than for you. They invest it, they lend it, you get leftovers called interest. Doing nothing feels safe, but it's still a risk. When you save, you're betting the future won't change much. That's a bad bet. The world always changes. Every dollar you save has another possible life. It could become a skill, a business, an asset. Instead, it becomes comfort. And comfort is expensive. Opportunity cost doesn't shout, it whispers. Years pass before you notice what you missed. Saving trains your brain to think defensively. You focus on avoiding losses instead of creating value. You cut expenses instead of expanding income. Fear of losing money kills meaningful bets. And wealth is built on calculated bets. Rich people save too, but with a different goal. Their cash is ammunition, not a trophy. They save to move fast when opportunity appears. Saving without a plan doesn't protect your future, it delays it.